Dear friends and followers, it's been a while since y'all have seen an episode on my channel. I've had a few things happen since my last episode, so while you watch this footage of my backyard, I'm letting you know that I'm going to need some financial help. Visit truckersxfanshop.com to order tumblers, t-shirts, and tote bags today. Friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. Ho ho ho! And greetings from a truck stop somewhere in America. I am inside a truck cab right now in the driver's seat on my 30-minute break. And, well, let's talk about Christmas, since it is just a couple days away now. And I do need to let y'all know something that happened to me a few weeks back. So, let's get started, and then roll on. Okay, friends and followers, welcome back. Peak season's been crazy for me. 2 weeks ago, my Tundra got rear-ended by a minivan driver who was clearly tired and whose foot slipped off the brake pedal when he was at an extended length traffic light. I understand the hurry to get home. And I've already forgiven the minivan driver, but we are having to file a claim on my insurance and see if they come through with a replacement bumper and trailer hitch for my Tundra. And if that's not the case, I may be doing some DIY videos before long on how to repair a bumper and how to do paintless dent removal. So, stay tuned to the channel for that. And for those of y'all who did not get to see the Christmas episode, which is the last episode that I did, go back and check that out after you get through watching this one. And this one's going to be very short, by the way, because the only thing I have left to say is ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, and have yourselves a nice winter season. And I'll be seeing you in a couple days after I get home. Let's make your best trip your next trip. Keep learning, keep thinking, and keep on trucking as I finish this 30-minute break. Bye for now.